Steelmama is an influential roll-forming machine supplier in China. This is a double-layer keel roll-forming machine that can punch holes. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. This machine works extremely efficiently. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.